Hey everybody, this is Andy Kamation at FabTech 2024. This is our last day, but I wanted to get a couple videos in and start off with this Pro Series angle roll from Bendmak and just show you a few of the features about it and some of the things that we bring to the table when it comes to a profile bending roll, or angle roll as it's often called. So first thing I want to note about this particular machine, we're looking at a PRO-100. This is a 4" by 4" by 3/8 capacity angle roll. This machine is available from stock out of Tampa, Florida. This is the basic machine that we offer. We do have a couple of items on this machine that are a little bit different from some of the other offerings out there, and you can see on these very large side supports. So these side supports that come out and have rolling surfaces on them, that really helps with the twist of an angle. So parts that are non-symmetrical, we're able to bring those out and put them in the correct position for a angle to be able to, again, push it and hold it into the shape that we want, so it doesn't curl backwards because it's in a non-symmetrical shape. So I'm going to just start up the control real quick. I've got the control on, and when you first turn it on, just reset and clear any alarms on it. Start the hydraulics, and then there's a series of very simple to use operator buttons. What you have here is 2 sets of buttons for the side supports, and I'm going to just show you how that side support goes out and in, and don't really have a position on that particular support because it's a visual. You're going to just press up against your material as needed to keep it from curling. You can also adjust the rolls into the position that you need for the particular part that you're rolling. So those are all independent hydraulically driven, very simple to use. And then the main set that you're going to use throughout the rolling process will be the A and B rolls. You'll move those up or down, and I'll show you the A roll. So that's the left-hand side of the machine. That roll moving up into its towards the upper roll. And of course the B roll moving up and down as well. So you move that into position to pinch the material, start your bend, and continue to go. The next set is the roller drive buttons, left, right, and we'll just turn those on. And very simple machine to operate, easy to use. Not a lot of knowledge is needed or training in order to be successful at that. Show you a little bit about the control. So on this control, it's fairly simple. You have the main page that we're on now. We can switch our units between millimeter and inch by just going into settings. So we'll now be in inch mode. I can look at digital inputs, outputs, diagnostics, and quite a bit of other features that you have on here. One thing I can do also is I can set a position to lock or stop the rolls. Although this is not a programmable machine, I can set a position for the bottom rolls as they come up to stop at a given position. So for a little bit more of an automated capability, you can use that feature to just stop those rolls at that given position. But that's it, our PRO-100 from Bendmak. Pretty nice machine, available from stock. Also, one other thing kind of really important to note is, you know, these machines were often doing large segments of material, and we're going to be rolling long pieces that might go high in the air. They can be just laid right down on their back. You see the pads, the floor pads for the back of the machine, and we can just lay that right back on its back and roll larger parts through the shop instead of up into the air. But that's it, your Bendmak PRO-100 4x4. We stock sizes from 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, and 6x6, all in stock at Bendmak USA.